welcome back to my channel, and as you guys have read by the title, I am going to do how to apply blusher correctly. And it is very important for every girl to know how to apply blusher because it gives a pop of color to your cheek and you start looking so youthful, so glowy and beautiful. And this is something I have been wanting to do for so long, and finally I got a chance to do it. So without further delay, let's get started. So I'm going to talk about all the do's and don'ts, the most common mistake that every beginner does when it comes to apply blush on. So I'm going to try and explain to you guys all the tips that I know for a perfect blusher application. So as you guys can see, I have my entire makeup on. I have done everything except my blusher and highlighter. I have already done my contouring. As you guys can see, if you guys don't want to do contouring, it's fine because there is nothing compulsory in makeup. It's up to your wish what you want to do. So yes, you guys can see I have my contouring. So let's begin with the blusher, and this side would be the wrong application side and this side would be the right application side. Okay, so the first mistake every people do is choosing a wrong brush. Yes, it's very important to choose right brush, not a contouring brush, not a powder brush or anything. You should have proper blush brush. So I'm taking two brushes. This brush is for wrong side, this brush is for right side. So what's the difference between these brushes? Of course, you guys can see this is a bigger one, this is the smaller one. We are not supposed to use so big brush for our blush on. So let me show you guys why. Okay, I'm going to start off with the wrong application side with the wrong brush. This brush is bigger in the size and it's not dense also. So let's apply and see. And I'm taking the blush on it and I will not dust it off, which is a very wrong thing to do. And now I'm going to apply it. So okay, you can see what went wrong. Okay, then you see, because this is the big brush, the blush is getting all over my face and it's not the correct way to go about it. And also because I did not dust off my brush before applying the blush on, and you can see such a harsh application of blush on. And I have seen people doing like this, as if this is going to get a perfect look on your cheek. Not at all. It's only going to look so harsh on your face. Never do this. You have to get your hands on very lightly. It is only going to look so bad, or anyway you're not getting a chiseled look. And this is absolutely wrong. It's like blush threw up on your face. Don't do that. And now I'm going to show you how to do this correctly with a right brush, with right density and right shape and size. And most of all, it's a blusher brush. And now I'm going to take bit of blush, dust it off, and we should always know the exact placement of blush on. So I'm not going to start from here, which is a plump area. I'm going to start it from here and then we can get on to here. So first we'll apply on the cheekbone only with very light hand, and I'm kind of spreading it like all over. We can smile also a little bit so that it will get the perfect placement. And now slowly we can get here. And you have to kind of ensure that your blush on is not going below this line. If you have contoured it or if you haven't contoured it, it has to be till here. That's it. This is your final mark. And you can see I am only trying to spread it like with very light hand. Yes, I repeat, I am doing it with very light hand. I'm kind of spreading it all over my cheekbone. And don't blend it with circular motion like this. Just try to blend it in sweeping motion like this. And yes, you have to spend a bit of time, about a minute, to blend it. Blushes are supposed to lift your face and give a nice flush to your cheek. They're not supposed to make your face look droopy, not at all. And that's completely depend on your application, how you are applying your blusher on your cheek. So now as I'm done with my blusher application, you can see I have applied all over. And make sure you take your blush on till here. Try to take it up at least till here so that it looks even and seamless. And I'm one of those person who likes their nose to be red too. I mean, I want my nose to be little pinky, so I will not take any extra product for that. I'm gonna run my brush just like this, and you can see the difference. Never take extra product for this application, because then it won't give you a proper pinky rosy nosy look. Just do it with right hand with the left product. And now I'm going to give some highlighters on my blush on, so that it will look complete. Without highlighter, there is no blush on. So moving on to highlighter, I'm going to start off with the wrong application side. And people, they just do it like this, which is not at all correct. And this is not a correct application whatsoever. I mean, this is a mess. It's not at all flattering. So on the correct side, I'm going to show you guys now. So when you apply your highlighter, just focus on this area and you can just lightly spread it. Don't do all over your blush. Just don't take it till your cheek. You have to be till here only. So basically this is the area only to put highlighter on. Only this much. I mean, it should be on your blush. It shouldn't be down your blush. And if at all you want some shiny thing on your nose, so again, don't take extra product. Just do it with this one only. And I'm sure it has lots of highlighter. Just like this. And if you want to put highlighter nicely on your nose, then just put it on the bridge of your nose. So alright, I'm done with my both the applications, do's and don'ts. It is the correct side and it is the wrong side, so you guys can see and understand which is looking more good. And alright guys, that brings to the end of my video, and I hope you like my video. And if you have liked my video, please give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel as well. And I will keep coming with good videos, with new videos and new content. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, tata, take care, love you all.